What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today I'm in Italy. So that means I'm staying in another Airbnb or hotel. It could be hotel or Airbnb, but this time I'm in an Airbnb. An Airbnb is a property like a home, a condo, or an apartment that people let you stay at. So you could basically rent. Basically, I pay you for a day, I stay at your property for a day. I pay you for 10 days, I can stay at your property for 10 days. Like that, if you didn't know what Airbnb was, or the Airbnb app. I think Airbnb is everywhere though, so you probably already know that. But now that I'm in an Airbnb that I've never stayed in before, I have to give you guys a tour and teach you English. Ready? Let's go. That is the main door. As we can see, the door is white. It has gold locks, gold handle, which is cool. We have the light switches here, I think. Yes. You see how some stuff went dark? But when I press it again, all the lights turn back on. Okay, cool. We have a plant here. Is this a real plant or a fake plant? This is a fake plant, meaning it's not real. It's not alive. And here we have some, I think this is like a fragrance to make the house smell good. So it smells good. What else do we have? We have some decorations here. This is like a vase with flowers on it. What else? Another fake plant. We have a little table right here with 2 chairs. That's cool. We have a ladder where you could climb up, like stairs. We have stairs. It's not a ladder. It looks like a ladder. It's like a stair ladder type of, you know. But it says no entry, not allowed. That's okay. We have a mirror here. You guys can see me. Hello. Dance. Dance, dance, dance. Okay, that's me. Suitcase, book bag. We have the couch or the sofa where you can sit down and relax. If I sit down, we have a big TV right there. So you can go ahead and watch TV while you're relaxing on the sofa like this. Basically, what else? We have some trash cans. I guess a can dedicated towards cleaning products and recycling can, which is cool. Here we have a toaster. Here we have a tea maker. Here we have a microwave to heat up food. Here, I believe this is a coffee maker. Here is a sink where we could turn it on and off to wash things. Here is a stove. Let me see if I could. Oh no. What am I doing? Oh, it's this. Ooh, fire. Okay, that's enough. What else? What else do you guys need to learn today? What else do you guys need to learn today? This is a lamp, right? Red lamp. So if I turn this on, what the heck? Oh, it's not plugged in. It's not plugged in, so it can't turn on. But if I had it plugged in, it would turn on. Me again. Mini stairs. Oh, how do I turn this? No. Oh, I think the light switch is over here. And here's the bedroom. They have a little TV in here. Towels on the bed. And then we have sheets. White sheets. Lamp in the bedroom. It's cool. Here we have the bathroom. A big mirror. We have another sink. We have soap. We have toilet paper. This is a toilet. And then we have the shower over here. And a towel on the floor to catch water. And here's the closet. Well, I don't want to open this though. Just in case it doesn't close back, I'll get in trouble. And that is pretty much it. I gave you guys a tour. This one isn't a big one, but it's pretty chill. It's pretty relaxing, low key. Yeah, I think I showed you guys everything. Oh, and up there is an AC unit. So it blows cold air, and if it's cold outside, you can make it blow hot air so your body could warm up if it's too cold outside. And yeah, I think that is all. I think that's all for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe you guys learned a new English word, maybe not. I hope you did. But if you like this video, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more English, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.